Do you want an easier way to remember to take your vitamins and medications? Forgetting to take pills can be extremely dangerous and can lead to hospitalizations, illnesses, and more. iRemember is an innovative product that uses advanced technology to ensure you always take your pills. It's so easy to use. When you first get the product, simply charge it by plugging it into a USB port. We recommend charging it overnight or for 3 hours every week. Now let's get into the features. There is a button on the left that enables you to set the sound to one of 3 settings: sound on, flight mode, or sound off.
Flight mode. Sound off. Sound on.
Press the button once to turn the sound on, press it again to enter flight mode, and if you press it a 3rd time, the sound will be turned off. The button on the right is for the timer. Press it once to replay the selection you chose.
Demo.
And press it longer to go through the options, which include clear, demo, 24 hours, 12 hours, or 6 hours.
Demo. Demo. 24, 12, 6. Clear.
Set it to 24 hours for daily pills, 12 hours for twice-a-day pills, or 6 hours for pills that need to be taken 3 times a day. The device is portable and you can even attach a single compartment to enable the organizer to fit into a purse or jacket. Another important button to be aware of is the status button at the top. Pressing this will indicate the last time the bottle was opened.
Last opened 1 minute ago.
This is a very important and unique feature as it was added to prevent over or underdoses. Now that we've covered the settings and buttons, let's show you how to actually fill it with your pills. Twist the section you want to remove. You will notice that it contains 3 sections, which can be used for morning, evening, or night, or you can remove the divider to turn it into one large section. To put it back into the unit, simply twist it. Let's demonstrate the product now. As we covered before, you will press and hold the right button to enter demo mode.
Clear. Demo.
You will hear 3 water drops from the lid, which indicate it's time to take your pills.
Pill time.
The device will continue to remind you to take your pills every 30 seconds until you open the cap, press the status button, or the battery runs out.
Pill time.
If you can't remember whether or not you already took your pill, just press the top button to hear the last time you opened it.
Last opened 2 minutes ago.
If you forgot to take your pills or it's time to do so, a red light will appear. Unscrew it to take your medication, and then after you take it, move it to the bottom of the device. When you place the lid back on and check the status, it will be green.
Last opened 1 minute ago.
Another great feature is an optional app that you can download on your phone for convenient status updates and reminders. This app is available via Google Play and the App Store and contains a seamless interface for ease of use. iRemember provides tremendous peace of mind to family members who want to ensure their loved one is taking their medications, as well as physicians and pharmacists. If you have trouble keeping track of your pills or have a loved one who struggles to do so, iRemember is extremely helpful and simplifies the process. iRemember's technology actually speaks to users to ensure they never forget to take a pill at the right time. Visit www.getiremember.com for more information and to order yours today.